Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to easily split screen multitask on your iPad Pro. So there are a bunch of features with multitasking, let's go through all of them. So first of all, in order to do regular multitasking, first step is to open up the first app you would like to multitask with. Then you're going to slide up from the bottom of your iPad screen, like so, until you see the dock. And then from here, you're going to drag and drop the application you want to multitask with, either to the left hand side of the screen or the right hand side of the screen. So we're going to do notes, we're going to drag and drop it together. So 3, 2, 1, drag, keep on dragging. And then when you see this animation, okay, so this animation that looks like this, you can release your finger. And I'll just show you how it looks like on the left hand side and then the right hand side. So we're going to drop, and now Safari is on the left, notes is on the right. Now you see here in the middle, we have this little grey icon. We can move this around, okay? So you can have Safari 25%, notes 75%, 50-50, 75 and 25%. Now here is the deal. What if the application you want to multitask with is not in the dock? Well, on the newer iPadOS versions, you can do this trick. So if you're on older versions, you will need to upgrade your iPadOS. So if this current steps I'm about to show you does not work, just upgrade the software on your iPad. So all we're going to do is, you see these triple dots here, we're going to drag from the triple dots, we're even going to drag to the left hand side or the right hand side. So let's do the left hand side, and now you can see Safari will show up right here. So if you change your mind, you don't want to do multitasking, just tap on the little sliver of app and it'll bring you back to the full screen view. But let's say I want to do actual multitasking, we'll just select the second app, Notes, boom, and now we are brought to multitasking. And the Notes app was not in the dock. Well, I mean it is, but like any app will work right from the home screen, okay? So I'll just do an app which is not on the dock, shortcuts, boom, just like that, the application is working. Now here is the deal, you may be watching this video, maybe you already went out to do the multitasking and this isn't working for you. Well, let me explain why. So not all apps will actually support multitasking. So if I go to settings here, I drag and drop, you can see there is no way to put settings anywhere on the screen. If I just release, you can see it says split view not supported, and it brings up the full settings app. So when you want to multitask with apps which don't support multitasking, there is a method you can do. So this isn't as good as having a split screen view like this. But what you can do is slide up from the bottom, okay, select the app you want to multitask with, and then drag and drop. And now you're going to have the main app here that doesn't support multitasking, and then the app which does support multitasking here. So if the second app you're trying to do doesn't support multitasking, you will not be able to have this pop-up view here. You can see Notes app, boom, really working, but do keep in mind that you can't interact with the settings app. So let's do that again, okay? Notes here, settings here. Now if you want the settings app to be functional, you see the triple dots here, you just slide to bring the app out of view, and now the settings app is fully working, boom, cool. And then when you want to get the Notes app back out, slide from right to left, and boom, they can use the Notes app. So it's not as convenient, but it does work. Now you can also do the same trick inside of regular multitasking. So you have app 1, app 2 here, and then in order to activate app 3, we drag and drop the app we want to use, and we just want to drop it in the black line, okay? So you see that black line, just drop in the black line, and now we have app 1, app 2, and app 3. So you can actually use all these apps, okay, at once if you really want to, because they will support split screen multitasking. And of course, in order to remove this app, you just slide it from left to right, boom. Now do keep in mind, you can add multiple apps to this pop-out view, okay? So you have one app, let's add multiple. So let's choose another app, we'll do photos, so we'll drag, drop, same method, and so we'll slide out, okay, boom. And now that app is added into this separate multitasking. So what was this? So you see this pop-up view? When we drag, slide up, you can see the Notes app from earlier and the Photos app. We can easily switch between the two. Boom, just like that, okay? So that is everything you need to know when it comes to split screen multitasking. A bit of a longer video, but I've covered everything. And by the end, when you want to split screen multitask, you're going to be able to do it without any issues. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Leave a like, check out my videos on the end screens. See you guys later. Bye-bye.